Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, in this video, I'm sharing a very beautiful, elegant and stylish modern style hand embroidery designs. All of these floral beautiful patterns of hand embroidery are absolutely favorable for everyday wear, for formal wear, for any different type of lighter outing, gathering or event. So the beauty and creativity of these designs make them much more elegant and creative at the same time. But guys, before going into the further details, I am requesting you to please don't forget to subscribe and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. And don't forget to like my video. And guys, we never claim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and intent behind making videos and sharing design ideas and creativity with you is to share some beautiful and eye-catchy designs of hand embroidery that could be equally made for shirts, tops, kurti, any different type of t-shirts, sweatshirts, peplum kurti, frocks, short, mid-length dresses, or any type of the top that you are going to wear or combo along with your bottoms, pants, jeans, trousers, or capris as well. Even the beauty and creativity of these designs make them absolutely favorable for making the necklines of your blouses that could be paired up along with your different saris for your other creativities. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns, and the beauty and creativity of these is that they are equally favorable for hand embroidery as well as for machine embroidery. So what does allow me to leave? But you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end because in the last part we are going to share collar embroidery designs which are absolutely favorable for formal dresses for going to your everyday office work or different type of formal meetings or gatherings as well. So stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos onto my channel. Up till then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave comments in the comment section. And keep loving us, keep supporting us, keep watching our content as you always have been. So see you in a new video with new upcoming designs and most viral and trending content.